Hello students, we'll do exercise 3.4 which is based on significant figures. Now, what are significant figures? See, understand any number between 1 to 9, all are significant figures. Okay? 0 is not always a significant figure. If a 0 is between two numbers like 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 1, 4, दो numbers के बीच में अगर 0 है, then it is significant. If it is not between two numbers, it is not significant. Okay? Now, if it is a decimal number like this, 14.80, then a 0 is significant. Significant means it will be counted as a significant figure, proper figure. So, but जैसे the question they will ask you is that 0.04, okay, in this 0.04, how many significant figures are there? There is only one significant figure, 4, because ये starting में जो 0 आते हैं, ठीक है, starting वाले 0 are not considered as significant figures. Okay, so you have to ignore them. But if the zeros are there in the end, then most of the times they are considered as significant figures. I'll explain you with the help of sums. So first, in the first case, you have to round off up to two significant figures. I have to round off up to two significant figures. So see, understand carefully. सबसे पहले तो round off क्या होता है? Round off करना means, for example, if you want to round off 75, 75 will become 80. If you want to round off 77, it will become 80. If you want to round off 73, it will become 70. Means that if the second number here is 5 or greater than 5, then the number will increase and become the next multiple of 10. But if the number here is less than 5, that means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will reduce. Okay, like अगर 92 है तो round off करके 9 बन जाएगा. 90 लिखो या 9 लिखो, one and the same. Okay, अगर 97 है तो round off करके it will become 100. Okay, so see here. Now the question is 3, 7, 8, 9 and round off up to two significant figures. मतलब दो फिगर का ही आंसर आना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये फर्स्ट फिगर हो गया. अब जो सेकेंड फिगर है ये राउंड ऑफ हो जाएगा इन नंबर्स की वजह से. सो 78 है, 78 का राउंड ऑफ क्या होगा? 80. सो दिस विल बिकम 38 एंड 00. मीन्स 3, 7, 8, 9 को राउंड ऑफ किया. सो टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, मतलब पहले दो फिगर्स ही सिग्निफिकेंट होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो ये पूरा 789 पूरा राउंड ऑफ हो गया और बन गया 800. 789 को राउंड ऑफ किया. ओके, 2301, 2304. ओके, सो फर्स्ट सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर इज 2, सेकेंड सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर इज 3. अब 304 को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो 300 ही रहेगा राउंड ऑफ किया तो. ठीक है, सो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर इज 2300. टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर, दो ही फिगर सिग्निफिकेंट है, ये 00 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स नहीं है. ओके, देन 79.83. So this is the first significant figure, this is the second significant figure. But ये 9 है, 9 के आगे क्या है? 83. Greater than 5 means 9 के आगे 8 है, 9.8. 9.5 से ज़्यादा है तो means this 9.8 will become 10. So ये 79.83 राउंड ऑफ करके क्या बन जाएगा? 80. ओके, ये सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स सिर्फ राउंड ऑफ करने में यूज आते हैं. ओके, इवन ईयर ये स्टार्टिंग के जीरोस काउंट नहीं होते. वी वांट टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, सो 1, 2, ये दो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हो गए. तो मीन्स ये 4 की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सो इसको हटा दो. दिस विल बिकम ये 04 जो है ना ये 00 बन जाएगा, ठीक है। और डेसिमल के बाद नो नीड टू पुट जीरोस, दिस विल बी योर राउंड ऑफ वैल्यू। नेक्स्ट इज 4.967, सो राउंड ऑफ दिस 967 राउंड ऑफ करके क्या हो जाएगा 1000, मीन्स दिस 4 विल बिकम 5.0, ये पूरा राउंड ऑफ हो गया। ओके, 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स चाहिए, तो बस ये 2 ही है अभी। इफ दे आस्क यू 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, then it is first one is 34.47, so 3 नंबर्स होने चाहिए, so this 3 4 और ये 4। अब इन दोनों को राउंड ऑफ करना पड़ेगा, 2 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तो ये हो गए। 47 को राउंड ऑफ करके क्या बन जाएगा, इट विल बिकम 50, दैट मीन्स 34.5। ये जीरो लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज वी वांट ओनली 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स। बी इज 0.01234, I want 3 significant figures. The starting zeros are not counted. So 1, 2, 3. ये 3 significant figures है. Will this get round off? 34. Round off करके क्या बनेगा? 30 ही बनेगा. Means ये 4 गया का. तो बचा क्या? 0.123. 3 significant figures में round off किया. Okay? अगर ये 4 से ज़्यादा होता, if would be 5 here. So 35 would have become 4, 40. Okay, वो 4 बन जाता, but it is less than 5, so this 34 remained 3. Okay, then I have 0.07057. Okay, see, if the 0 is between 2 numbers, then it is a significant figure. Okay, I want 3 significant figures. Starting के 0 count नहीं होंगे. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures हो गए. Okay, but there is 57 here. 57 round off होगा. 57 will become 60. So this 5 will turn into 6. So our answer will be 0.070. This 57 becomes 6. So ये हो गए 3 significant figures. Answer should have only 3 significant figures. Can you see? Answer has only 3 significant figures. D. 0.4003. Answer should have only 3 significant figures. So first, second, third. 0 is between 2 numbers, so 0 is also significant. So 400. So my answer will be 0.400. ये है 3 significant figures. ये 3 चला गया. Starting का 0 count नहीं होता. Okay. Then you have 0.2993. I want 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3. But this will get round off. Okay. This entire thing will get round off. ये जो 996 है, 96 will round off and become 10. जिससे ये पूरे 3 numbers round off हो जाएंगे. So this entire thing will become 0.300. ओके, ये हो गए 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, मतलब ये जो 996 था दिस बिकम्स 1000. ओके, एंड इट गेट्स राउंड ऑफ. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज राउंड ऑफ टू 4 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. सो हाउ टू राउंड ऑफ टू 4 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स? सी, these answers to these questions are not given behind the textbook. Okay, so I will give you the solution to all of them. Now for 4, the first question is 17.835 and we have to make it into 4 significant figures. Okay, so how to do it? It is 17.835. So 4 significant figures means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th figure. Okay, so 35 will get round off and become 40. So this will be 4. This 35 will become 40. B. The next question is for significant figures. The rules are given before the exercise. 46.796. So 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. But this will change. 96 will become 100. So this 7 will become 8. So I will get the answer 46.80. This 96 will round off and become 10. But अगर 10 तो नहीं लिख सकते यहाँ पे, तो this 1 will get carry over. So 7 will become 8 and the 0 will remain. Okay, next. 0.610467. We want 4 significant figures. So this is 0.610. Observe the question carefully. So see, 1, 2, 3 significant figure तो हो गया. अब ये 467 किस में राउंड ऑफ होगा? 467 will become 500. Okay, so round off will be 0.610 और लास्ट में आ जाएगा 5. ये पूरा राउंड ऑफ हो गया. Okay. Then I have a number 67895. I have to make it 4 significant figures. Okay, so first check the number and see, this is the first, second, third, 3 significant figures. ये fourth figure है, तो इस fourth को round off करेंगे. 95 को round off करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will become 100. So 1 carry. So this will be 6, 7, this 8 plus 1, 9, 0, 0. So basically इस 95 को राउंड ऑफ किया तो ये 8 भी राउंड ऑफ हो गया साथ में. सो दिस 895 पूरा राउंड ऑफ होके 900 बन गया. सो दिस इज द 4 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. ओके, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस एक्सरसाइज. वेरी सिंपल. Sometimes there is a little bit of confusion, but you can ask me your doubts. And the rules of these significant figures are given on page number 45. If you read page number 45, see here in your textbook you can see significant figures topics. There is rules 1, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the rules given in your textbook. You can read those rules once again. Okay, that's it with this chapter. This was the last exercise.